Got my lawnmower tire, thought I'd make a video. We got a leaker and we got this Fix-A-Flat in a can, and it's, I don't know how old it is. It's old. Been around for a while. So we're gonna see if this stuff expires. I don't see an expiration date. It is made in the USA, so that's good. But anyway, yeah, we'll make a quick video of it and see if it works. There's my leak, there's my can, and I'm gonna take the valve stem out with my trusty valve stem remover tool, and we are gonna see if it leaks. I got lucky, it's right there. Almost lost it flying across the shop. Good thing it's only 12 psi to fill this tire up. Now you can see here how old it is. It's all rusty, and the end right here ended up getting a little leak. You can see the extra on there. Got a little leak and blew out, but just a little lawnmower tire, and there's still some stuff left over in there, but I think that one's done for. I'll throw it in here, and when they're smashing the garbage, they can have a poof. So there's the tires, and it's got air in it, and where did that go? Right there. Right there. You can still see a little bit of bubbling going on right there. So, roll her over on that side. Rock it around. Come on, baby. Grass is getting tall out there. I gotta get this done. Now you can see my grass is getting tall, but anyway, looks like we got her. Looks like it worked. So, Fix-A-Flat, I would like to have used the green slime they like using for these lawnmower tires. I have a 0-turn Ariens lawnmower, and it's hard on tires turning back and forth, but yeah, I think that'll get us through the day here, and maybe even longer. We'll continue the test. It's not leaking now, so problem fixed. Watch it. Don't let it go.